Hey there, savvy investors. If you're diving into the world of self-directed investing with JP Morgan, one of the first things you'll need to do is get your funds into your account. Today, I'm walking you through the straightforward process of depositing money into JP Morgan's self-directed investing. Whether you're funding your first trade or adding to your portfolio, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your JP Morgan online banking account set up. If you don't, head over to the JP Morgan website or app and create one. It's quick and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Investing section. This is usually found on the main dashboard or in a dedicated tab for self-directed investing. Look for your account overview. That's where the action starts. Next, find the Deposit or Fund Account option. It's often right there on the main page or under a menu like Transfers. Click on that, and you'll see a list of deposit methods. JP Morgan typically offers options like ACH transfers, wire transfers, or even mobile check deposits. For most people, ACH is the easiest. It's free and links directly to your bank account. Now, select your preferred method. If you're going with ACH, you'll need to enter your bank account details, like the routing and account numbers. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any delays. Then, specify the amount you want to deposit. JP Morgan might ask for some verification, such as a security code sent to your phone, to keep things safe. Once you've filled in all the details, hit Submit or Confirm. You'll get a confirmation screen with a transaction ID. Save that for your records. Processing times vary. ACH deposits can take 1 to 3 business days, while wire transfers are usually instant. Keep an eye on your account to ensure the funds show up as expected. And that's it. Depositing money into your JP Morgan self-directed investing account is simple and secure. Remember, always monitor your investments and never deposit more than you're comfortable with. If you run into any issues, JP Morgan's customer support is top-notch. Just check their help section. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Happy investing!